Good morning again. This may be a little noisy. I'm not going to be talking because I'm going to try to let you see as much of this border collie dog show as possible. I'm going to turn it around now and hopefully y'all are going to be able to hear something. If not, I think you can see it.
Border collies, whether it's in Ireland or any part of the world, they're an integral part of everyday life. They make gathering the sheep from the hill a very, very easy exercise, and also, I suppose, taking care of our sheep. It's impossible to take care of our sheep efficiently without them. As we're talking about today, we'll be looking at these mountains. On the left hand side, as you go back the road on the Ring of Kerry, heavily populated with sheep. We cannot get those sheep off the hills without the help of the border collie. Nothing's been invented to make our life easier and gather our sheep as efficiently as these guys. Tess is 7 years old now. We trained her from a young dog. She has 4 verbal commands. To move her to the right, I say away. To move her to the left, I say come by. To stop her, I say stand. You can stand for a second. And to ask her to walk on and get closer to the sheep, quite simply walk on. You'll notice every move the dog makes today has the opposite effect on the flock, and the sheep naturally flock together and bunch together when the dog is walking them. There are times when the dog is up to a mile away from us on the mountain walking the sheep. Voice isn't going to travel that far, so we use the whistle to communicate with them. Okay, you'll hear me whistling. This to the right, this to the dog's left. Lie down and get closer to the sheep. So with those 4 basic commands, we should be able to control the sheep down towards them, drive them away from them, just demonstrating the skills and the control of the dog. Later we split the sheep into 2 different groups. I'll elaborate why that's so important later, and we'll talk a bit about time of year, lambing time, shearing time, which is upon us, and how long it takes to train these dogs, and just how special they are in our farm and exercise every day and teaching sheep dogs. Okay, so any questions you have, we'll take them towards the end. And to start off, we're going to ask the next guys to run to the left hand side and go up and down. So before we focus on that, looking ready to go, and I'm going to tell you, come on.
Your legs a lot too.
I'd be out of breath.
Yeah.
After 6 steps, I'm going.
Here comes the sheep.
sheep and keep them moving nice and happy. With the full focus on them, now we're going to start driving them away. To do that, we're going to have to get right there. Away, to the right, away, back, stand. And the sheep start moving away naturally. Come back.
I don't think so. She's remarkable.
Start driving them up the right hand side. Whistle. Stopward. Go to the right.
Remarkable. Oh my God.
Now move the sheep over to the left hand side of the field. The dog has to move to the right. Every move test makes today has the opposite effect on the sheep. And that's basically what we control our flocks. Whether it's a group of 7, we've 200 sheep in our flock. So there are times when the dog is walking those numbers and one dog can control those large amounts. These are Scottish black-bay sheep. They are the dominant breed of sheep we're going to see on the hills today. They are very, very adaptable to our climate. Our mountains, I suppose, there's not a lot of grass growing up there during the winter months. These guys can survive up there right through the winter by foraging in different plants, supplementing their nutrition. They came to Ireland in 1700s from Scotland and northern England, and they've been here ever since. And we love painting them. We were asking down at the bottom of the steps, why do we paint the sheep? Well, here's your answer. They are painted sheep, different colours, identifies the sheep at distance on the hill. So right on the head is all block identification and has been for generations. And it makes it very easy for us to be able to identify our sheep when they are a huge distance from us in the mountains. If any of you are into hill walking or mountain climbing, you'll appreciate that the further you get into a mountain range, the less boundary we have. Those areas still have to be grazed, and they are grazed under, I suppose, common ownership. Farmers living close to those mountain ranges have a common right to graze in them. We call it commonage. Different flocks go out there at different times during the year, and without the boundaries, they are going to get mixed up. So each farmer has a different colour to represent his sheep. So red on the head is mine in this particular area. Red, or you'll see green, you'll see blues, you'll see red and blues, all in different parts of the body. I suppose there are times when I'm going to the mountain to gather sheep. We're looking for about 200 sheep. I'll take a few dogs with me because they can get tired as the day progresses. Yeah. They'll generally walk 200 sheep for about an hour. After that, we switch in another dog. Give them a break. But anyway, if you're looking at the binoculars for the red sheep, send the dog out for them. They can be up to a mile away. You think the dog is doing a great job. Work. Each flock of sheep coming back towards you. Instead of 200, you 250. What's going on here? But if you start analysing the colours, you realise very, very quickly that some of them aren't actually yours. And you have to separate them. If you want to be bringing home sheep that aren't yours, if you haven't been asked, and you use the border collie right there on the side of the hills to help you save some time and not to be bringing the sheep all the way back to the farmyard and using the sheep handling facilities to separate them. And all the rest of the border border collies in the world. They're very smart animals, but they don't know what colour the sheep are.
Yeah.
They can't count. So they're going to go back up to together. We're going to work as a team. I'll be on one side of the sheep, Tess will be on the other. We'll separate the sheep into two groups, a group of 4 and a group of 3. And hopefully I'll bring the 2 sheep down here to under full control of the dogs. Forgetting totally about this, the rest of them that we leave behind. Just watch the way we're moving. We're basically creating a situation where some sheep escape and we leave them escape rather than stopping them and just hold on to the tree.
Oh.
Okay? That's basically how we separate them on the hills. It might take a little bit longer because there are different sheep trying to escape in different directions, but that's the basics of it, okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to go back up and get our 3 sheep.
Huh. Gosh, that's amazing. Just awesome. Look at her. Just the focus. And they know. So I wonder how the 3 go, or the 2 in that case, and the other. Oh, yeah, yeah.
So what he's doing right now, if y'all can hear me, is he's separating the sheep and doing a little exercise like that.
Look at the focus. So salivating.
One goes, 2 goes, and then there was another few going, and we had to work quickly together to stop the last one and make sure we had 3 rather than 2.
Yeah.
But if I move about these sheep today, they get a little bit apprehensive as I get closer.
Oh.
Tess is watching and making sure they don't get away. She's still focused on these guys. There are times when you forget some sheep on the hills and you have to get the dog to go back and get more sheep. It's no fault of my own or the dogs that sheep are left behind. Sometimes they can be in a valley, they can be in a wet day like this morning, and you have to get the dog to go back and get them. So we're going to ask Tess to go back and get the 4 sheep we left behind now. Tess, come on. Everybody's watching Tess. I'm going to ask her to turn around.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
They're already
Her
running.
hearing is remarkable. Yeah.
Because they are very focused on their work and go back and get some more sheep.
Outstanding.
It's a very, very helpful thing for them to be able to do with the dogs that usually want to cover all their things. So these guys, it takes about, we leave the sheep there while we're chatting at it takes about 2 years to train a dog to this standard. They might start walking at a very young age. They might start walking at a very young age.
Love it.
They could start walking at 12 weeks old as a puppy. They might show interest in that, but they're way too young at that age. They have to wait until they're physically and mentally developed. Generally 6-7 months is when I'm thinking I'll start training a young dog. And I'll spend 20 or 30 minutes a day with them at least for the next 2 years of their life. It takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and once you get to the standard stage where they're able to do jobs like this, they become very, very helpful in the farm. There's a thing in Ireland that a good dog will work for the people.
They're going to do some more with the dog show, but we have a limited time here, so I wanted to go down and go across the highway and show y'all part of the Atlantic Ocean. We've been driving alongside it, so I know a lot of you probably didn't realize what was going on, and I know you couldn't hear him. I wished he would have had a microphone on, but he was just doing different exercises with the sheep, which I thought was really remarkable. Mary, I don't know if you're watching this or not, but I think Shelley would think that that was really cool what he did this morning, and this is the mountain here. There's sheep. You can see there's sheep all up there. And I'm going to walk alongside here and walk back down to the bus. And it's kind of steep, so I'm trying to watch where I'm putting my feet. These hydrangeas are gorgeous. They're so pretty. It's real cool. It is overcast and it has been raining, but the rain has cleared up and more than likely it'll rain again before the day's over. But thank the Lord right now it's not raining, so I don't even have my raincoat on. It almost looks like a rainforest. It's so luscious and green and beautiful. And it's hilarious riding in that bus and those little tiny cars you're passing. You just know everyone you pass, you just know you're going to hit it. And this bus driver knows what he's doing. He's done this for years. But it would terrify me if I was trying to get by those in these little narrow roads. Y'all can see a little bit of the ocean right now, but I'm going to go on down. I'm just being careful here and go across. You may hear some people talking, but I don't want to turn this off. I want to leave it on. So yeah, those dogs are well trained. My shoes are slip proof, but I'm still being careful. I do not want skin knees, and I don't want a hurt leg or arms. So my arm, I finally put this camera on my stand because it was hard for me to use both hands to hold it. Give me just a second here. I'm trying to concentrate on what I'm doing. This is, there's pugs everywhere here. This is our bus here. This is our bus driver. He is fantastic. He doesn't know this is going all over the place, but he's okay with it. He wouldn't have got up there if he hadn't. Okay. Thank you. He was nice. He walked me across the road. He probably wanted to make sure I wasn't going to run out in front of a car. Isn't this gorgeous? This is the Atlantic Ocean. There's a little tiny boat out there. A lot of room for parking for buses and to stop at. And there's a lot of traffic. I mean, this is a busy place. I guess the Ring of Kerry is probably one of the, I don't know if it's the most popular place to go see in Ireland or not, but I know it is very popular. See, the clouds are kind of breaking, and they've said you can get 4 seasons in one day here. And I've only been here a couple of days, but I believe it because it's really cool, then it's warm, it's raining, then the sun's shining. So you can see over there how beautiful. I hope y'all can see this good. I'm walking in front of these people here. Let me move the camera and walk down here. That just looks so peaceful, so beautiful. Look at that mountain, look at the fog on top of it. I don't know if y'all can tell that or not, but it is just gorgeous. I mean, this is everything that I thought it would be and more. It's just so pretty. And so many of y'all ask, some of you, most of you know, but there's people that ask every day, am I here by myself? Am I with a tour? I am here by myself. Something that I've wanted to do all my life. And, you know, sometimes you just got to decide to do what you want to do. And that's exactly what I did. And I am not with a tour group. I'm solo, but I am on a tour today, which is with a group of people. The flowers are so amazingly beautiful here. They're just gorgeous. Pinky Mom loved flowers so much, and I know that she would have thought this was just the most beautiful place. The air is so nice and cool. I don't know if you can see that sheep way down there or not, but and some of you I know this, but the sheep are all painted, and he was telling about this. They're different colors, And I already heard this, but the reason they're painted, it's kind of like what we would call in Texas farmers or ranchers brand. That's they explain that they let all these sheep graze the mountains. The mountains belong to the government, but the farmers, the sheep farmers or ranchers or whatever they're called, that live around the mountains, they are all free to share the mountain, and their sheep can graze there. So they have to have a way to know whose sheep belongs to who. So they've done this for centuries, and every sheep owner has a color, and that's how they know what sheep are theirs. So I think it's really cool how they do that. Like in Texas, we brand cattle, and they paint, I guess it's paint, that's what it looks like to me, paint their sheep. So I just thought it was very interesting, and I'm going to wrap this one up. I don't know where our next stop is, but he said we're stopping at a very cool place for lunch, and we're not going to stop until, I think it's either 1:45. I think it's 1:45 that we're stopping for lunch. And my plan is to have the bacon and cabbage. I've been hearing a lot about that, and I thought that sounded good, and that's what I'm going to have. And I won't, I won't eat a lot because I don't eat much at a time, but I thought that that would be something traditional Irish, and I like both of them, so I think I'm going to try that. So thank y'all for joining me, and I will be back soon when we do another stop. If I can get a signal to film, well, I'll be on here, and I have taken a ton of pictures, and some of them are going to be blurry. Some of them I'll try not to post any blurry ones when I'm doing this tonight, but some of them are going to have the bus driver's head in it. You have to understand that I'm taking these through the window of the bus, but I think I still have got some fairly good shots, so I'm anxious to share those with y'all later on today. So thank you again for joining me. Be sure to share our video. All of our videos, we're getting so close to our 500,000 mark, and we're really wanting to hit that soon. So thanks a lot. We love y'all. Thank you for going along with me. I miss my sister and my nieces and my family, Mike, but thank you very much. I appreciate it for joining me on my tours. Bye-bye.